In a rapidly moving world, young adults find themselves embarking on their financial journeys, faced with formidable challenges: the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, the burden of high interest debt, and the daunting aim of building savings. These obstacles test not only their resilience, but also their aspirations for a stable future. Imagine the constant balancing act between immediate needs and future dreams, where each paycheck is quickly consumed by bills and high interest debts, making the cycle of financial instability a pressing reality for many. This leaves scant room for the thought of savings, much less planning for it. Yet, breaking free from this cycle is not just a distant dream, but a practical goal within your grasp. This journey we're embarking on provides the knowledge and tools needed to face these financial challenges head on. By learning to budget, save, invest, and manage debt effectively, you'll navigate towards financial stability and, ultimately, independence. With each step forward, the financial hurdles you encounter today will transform into milestones of your success story. Budgeting transcends mere number crunching. It represents the first stride towards financial freedom. Envision freeing yourself from the paycheck-to-paycheck existence, unshackling from high-interest debts, and advancing toward your financial objectives. This is the transformative power of budgeting. Beginning with tracking every dollar, while initially daunting, lays the foundation for taking control over your finances. This process acts like a financial health assessment, identifying leaks in your budget and opportunities to tighten spending in favor of future aspirations. Setting tangible financial goals converts your abstract dreams into achievable realities. Whether saving for an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or retirement, clear goals guide your path. Allocating funds wisely ensures spending aligns with your values and goals, embodying true financial stewardship. It's about leveraging your resources to serve not just present pleasures, but also future dreams. As we progress, the essence of saving unfolds, not just storing away money, but securing a prospective future and empowering your aspirations. Welcome back to our exploration of financial literacy, where we now uncover the significance of saving, a cornerstone in building a resilient financial future. Saving goes beyond mere monthly deposits. It involves creating a robust emergency fund, leveraging high-yield savings accounts for better interest earnings, and setting aside funds for specific goals. A solid emergency fund acts as your financial safety net for life's unpredictables, ensuring sudden expenses don't compromise your financial stability. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts aren't just ordinary accounts. They're vehicles that elevate your savings growth, moving you closer to your financial ambitions. Saving for specific purposes, be it a vacation, a new home, or education, means dedicating resources towards these milestones, transitioning them from mere dreams to achievable realities. As we transition into the next segment, remember, saving is more than a strategy. It's a commitment to your future. The next steps will delve into how investing can further boost your financial health and accelerate reaching your goals. Investing is not reserved for the wealthy or the financially savvy alone. It's a wealth-building path open to all, capable of transforming small amounts into significant assets over time. Let's simplify investing by understanding the basics, including the array of investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each possesses its unique risk-reward profile, crucial for crafting a balanced investment approach. Risk versus reward is pivotal in investing, where typically high-risk options offer potential for greater returns, conversely, with a risk of loss. The secret lies in starting small. Even modest, consistent investments can grow exponentially thanks to compounding interest. Remember, every investor's journey begins with a single step, and many successful financiers started precisely where you are now. As we proceed, we'll navigate building a diverse portfolio aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The path to financial empowerment begins with understanding and action. The journey through debt management can appear overwhelming, but with a deliberate and strategic approach, clarity and progress are achievable. Distinguishing between constructive debts, such as those for education or a mortgage, and detrimental ones like high-interest credit cards, enables a prioritized repayment plan conducive to your financial well-being. Employing efficient repayment strategies, such as the debt avalanche or snowball method, simplifies the resolution process while offering incremental victories that inspire continued effort and discipline. Beware of seemingly quick solutions, promising instant relief, but ultimately exacerbating your financial strain. The voyage towards financial freedom is gradual, marked by consistent, thoughtful steps towards debt management. As we transition to crafting adaptable financial plans, the foundation laid through effective debt management informs a strategy capable of enduring economic uncertainties and personal financial shifts. A robust financial plan stands as a beacon, guiding you through the complexities of financial management with clarity and precision. The journey begins with setting clear, attainable goals, marking the milestones and destinations of your financial pathway. Whether aiming for a home down payment or envisioning an early retirement, defining these targets gives purpose and direction to your financial endeavors. Regular financial reviews act as checkpoints, ensuring you remain aligned with your goals. These evaluations allow for timely adjustments in response to life's changes, keeping your financial plan both relevant and resilient. Life's unpredictability necessitates a flexible plan, ready to adapt and evolve. As we delve deeper, remember, thriving financially means setting goals, employing regular reviews, and maintaining adaptability, enabling you to navigate with confidence. Moving forward, we will introduce more tools and strategies designed to enhance your financial journey. In our digital era, an array of tools and resources stand ready to streamline and enrich your financial management practices. Budgeting apps simplify expense tracking, investment platforms demystify market entry, and educational resources expand your financial knowledge, all at your fingertips. Employing these tools not only aids in daily financial decisions, but significantly advances your financial literacy and confidence. They empower you to build a strong financial foundation that supports both present stability and future growth. As we proceed, bear in mind that achieving financial independence is a process akin to both a marathon and a sprint. The upcoming segment will explore sustainable strategies for wealth building, ensuring today's efforts fortify your financial future. In the finale of our series, Empowering Your Financial Future, we celebrate the journey undertaken, a testament to your determination and commitment to achieving financial empowerment. Mastery of your finances requires continuous learning and adaptability, staying informed to navigate through the ever-evolving financial landscape successfully. Adopting a lifelong learning mindset ensures readiness for new opportunities and challenges, making wealth building not a sprint but a marathon that rewards patience, strategy, and tenacity. Each budget followed, dollar saved, and investment made is not merely a transaction, but a step towards a durable legacy. Your decisions today shape your financial tomorrow. This journey of improvement is yours to command, urging you to persist in learning, planning, and acting on your financial dreams. With every step, your empowered future grows closer.